Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you how the iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold Edition is crafted and step by step.
Every iPhone Gold Edition begins its journey in Security Vault.
Before becoming part of the iPhone Gold Edition, every gram of gold is tested for flawless purity.
The structure of the iPhone Gold Edition begins with aerospace-grade aluminum, engineered for strength and elegance. Only flawless sapphire glass is approved for the iPhone Gold Edition display.
Thousands of precision components are carefully prepared for the iPhone Gold Edition.
The signature brilliance of the iPhone Gold Edition starts as molten gold under extreme precision control.
Before gold touches the surface, every iPhone Gold Edition frame is polished to perfection. Controlled environments ensure the iPhone Gold Edition is crafted under flawless conditions. Every dimension of the iPhone Gold Edition is measured to microscopic accuracy. And with materials perfected, the iPhone Gold Edition is ready for transformation. The iconic finish of the iPhone Gold Edition is created through a precisely engineered gold electroplating solution. Every chemical element inside the iPhone Gold Edition coating is balanced to microscopic precision. Voltage control determines the exact thickness of gold on every iPhone Gold Edition. This is the moment where the iPhone Gold Edition begins to gain its signature brilliance. Controlled electrical energy bonds pure gold onto the iPhone Gold Edition with flawless consistency. Automation ensures every iPhone Gold Edition receives identical treatment and unmatched precision. Thermal stabilization strengthens the gold finish of the iPhone Gold Edition.
Every iPhone Gold Edition surface is examined at a microscopic level to ensure absolute perfection.
The brilliance of the iPhone Gold Edition must meet luxury-grade reflection standards.
With its gold finish perfected, the iPhone Gold Edition now moves toward full transformation.
Now the iPhone Gold Edition reveals its true identity, Isfint, a flawless fusion of technology and gold. Every iPhone Gold Edition is engraved with absolute precision, ensuring perfection down to the smallest detail. The internal structure of the iPhone Gold Edition is reinforced for strength and durability.
The performance core of the iPhone Gold Edition is installed with microscopic accuracy.
The camera system inside the iPhone Gold Edition is aligned with exact optical precision.
Powering the iPhone Gold Edition is a high-efficiency battery installed under strict quality control. The display of the iPhone Gold Edition is bonded seamlessly for strength and clarity.
Every iPhone Gold Edition is sealed to ensure lasting durability.
The intelligent sensors of the iPhone Gold Edition are calibrated for flawless performance. The iPhone Gold Edition now enters its final assembly phase, where perfection becomes reality. Every iPhone Gold Edition surface is inspected to ensure flawless, luxury-grade finish.
Before packaging, each iPhone Gold Edition receives a final polish to enhance its signature brilliance.
The iPhone Gold Edition is protected with precision to preserve its flawless display. Each iPhone Gold Edition carries a unique identity, engraved with precision.
The packaging of the iPhone Gold Edition reflects the same luxury as the device itself.
Every iPhone Gold Edition is carefully placed into its premium presentation case. The complete iPhone Gold Edition experience includes precisely arranged premium accessories.
The iPhone Gold Edition is securely sealed, ready for its journey. Now fully assembled and packaged, the iPhone Gold Edition stands ready to reach the world. Before leaving the facility, every iPhone Gold Edition undergoes a flawless surface inspection.
The display of the iPhone Gold Edition is tested for perfect responsiveness and clarity.
The camera system of the iPhone Gold Edition is calibrated to deliver exceptional detail.
Connectivity inside the iPhone Gold Edition is verified for seamless communication.
The battery performance of the iPhone Gold Edition is stress tested to ensure lasting reliability.
Durability tests confirm that the iPhone Gold Edition maintains both strength and elegance. Only after passing every test is the iPhone Gold Edition officially approved.
Approved units of the iPhone Gold Edition are secured before global distribution.
The iPhone Gold Edition now begins its journey to customers around the world.
And that is how the iPhone Gold Edition is crafted. From pure gold to global luxury.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.